Order filled.
Yeah.
What's good, everyone? How's everyone doing today? Yeah, Daddy, we got news today. A lot of news. See what happens with after the second news, GDP. Oh man, that that NAS trade. Gave 50% and went the other way.
Yeah, I was preferring the cells.
Yeah, but man, I was expecting it to go higher than it did. It didn't even go nowhere. Nothing clean at all. I was expecting that for it to get to the resistance at least. I ain't trading it until tomorrow.
Oh, right, Wednesday. Honestly, it's been a very low volume week. Like, it's very choppy and everything this whole
Yeah.
week.
Wait, Perpetual, Max, good morning, Ryan. Huge Rooster, good morning. We're gonna wait for the news today, guys. At least until after the news at 7:30, and that's in 23 minutes from now.
Damn. Gold swiped the lows and up 80 pips.
Good morning, Francisco. What's my take on ADP and GDP? Man, I don't even know. I'll know once I see it. I'm not good at fundamentals, Ryan. I'm the wrong person for that. I don't like to predict the news.
Honestly, we're retail. Why even attempt to predict or understand that kind of news? You got banks, they pay like millions of dollars to a team of analysts to, figure that stuff out. You're not going to figure it out.
Even Jim Cramer can't figure it out. Who am I?
Exactly. We can't do it. You'll see like how many times it's like, oh man, this is really bad news, and market goes up. And it's like, what the fuck?
And then again, it's just that when it comes to the asset that we trade, which is gold, it's like gold does not give a shit. It's always gonna do what it wants to do.
Yeah.
You know, the news event that gold likes, man, is freaking disaster news. That's the news gold likes, disasters.
Man, reminds me of one trade we were in it and it just like fucking blasted up like 100 pips instantly. And we were like, what the fuck? And then it was like, oh, war broke out or something.
Yeah, yeah. Well, maybe Max, you might be right.
That's true, Max. That is true. We were graced by the heavens with an institutional trader.
Yeah, that might be Ryan's job, low key.
I just missed it. I was looking at it. Pink?
You said what, Daddy?
Did you get your TP on NAS? Your TP?
Nah, it got to 50% and reversed.
Yeah. So just before. Did you see the US 30 what it did? Oh my god.
I've not
Check out.
I've not been looking at US 30.
It literally all three normally like do the same thing, but US 30 just had one massive disgusting drop. Took that buy as well.
Well,
See that one there? See that drop there?
Oh, this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Damn.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Kind of disgusting.
Big is that? Holy damn.
160. Wow.
Amazing.
And it just instantly went back up. Jesus.
And
actually went up and broke the highs. What the fuck?
You see how YM freaking pretty much got to the highs?
Yeah.
This was what I was expecting Nas to do.
Oh, okay.
when we took the buys.
How quick was that can?
Nas was like, I think it was like 12 pips away from where I wanted the sell.
I mean, the setup makes sense though with the way it's dropping now.
Yeah. It actually looks like a good sell even like now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, even now too. Yeah. Yeah, man. Let's see if gold is gonna react in 2 minutes. See what gold does. I'm looking for sales on gold. However, we could take buys, quick buys, because we're pretty much reacting to the lows right now. We always want to buy low, sell high. So if we do break above this supply, If we keep going, then we wait for sales. If we break and close above it, we pull back. If we got a demand here, pull back to level of demand, we take the buys up to this supply because I am expecting that supply to hold to continue to the downside because we actually not breaking highs just yet. So to be quick buys.
Oh.
That's all gold's gonna do.
Off of the.
That's it. That's the news.
All right. Now we sit back and wait for the next one.
Yeah. Now okay the bid. She just gave the 50% and reversed.
So the news wasn't good for the dollar.
Gold does not care.
Gold don't give a damn. I was gonna say, gold is doing its thing. Sometimes it will fit with the news, sometimes it won't. But yeah,
I keep saying it. Gold does not give a shit. Excuse my language. It's just gonna do what it wants to do.
You know, I noticed that like this news stuff, it's like always bad for the dollar, but the last time we took a look at the DXY, it had cratered, right? It's like straight vertical down. So I bet it's gonna, you know, the dollar's probably gonna pump because it's probably already priced in.
yeah, exactly. That's the question. Is it always already priced in?
It's doing something now.
Oh.
Good reaction on Nasdaq and US 30 and Q.
Oh, wow. Is that pretty? Oh, wait,
It's
no, it
been
was already down
dropping,
there.
yeah. We got 10 more minutes. Possibly might have a minor BOS here from this first range. And if we keep going, any of these supply can, oh shoot. And if we keep pushing up here, any of these supply can hold until we get to the origin of the move. So, see what happens. The strongest zone is going to be, of course, the origin of the move. Yeah, we'll probably close above here. Looking at that queue. As long as we close above this minor resistance here, it's still fine. We got 6 more minutes. Six more minutes.
Oh, President Trump speaks in Asian session. Be careful, anyone who trades Asian session. Edwin.
Yeah, man. Did anyone survive that mess? Damn, I thought we were gonna win.
I did not take NAS.
Man, it's crazy how she drops. Man, I don't think there's like a clean supply as well.
I did mention that the supply above looks very good. Although it didn't really get into it, which is strange. Just got close to it.
Yeah, I thought she gonna like push 1-to-1 with the way she go to the 50%. But man,
Yeah.
the snap is real.
I saw it pop and I was like, oh, okay, let's go.
Yeah, and besides, I don't see any supply up there, like a clean one.
Yeah,
That
there is none except on the 5. On the 15, there was none.
Yeah, I checked the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 before I take the buys.
31 hour, nothing. That was why I was expecting it for sure we'll get to the resistance instead before we start dropping. Just to reject the highs again. But didn't get there.
Yeah, you guys don't look at the volume profile, but if you did look at it, you would see it's like massive volume up there.
Up there.
Yeah. Gideon's music, I'm assuming.
Probably.
Oh, 1 minute.
And this should close above.
Yeah. Oh, there's a gap there. Huh, okay.
Well, let's see if we're gonna continue pushing up here, or if we're gonna come back and tap this demand.
Philippi says, don't let gold fake you into a buy. I want to go straight up.
Yeah, me too, but it could decide to come back to the demand before pushing up, then fall.
The nice thing is if it goes up, you know there's a gap to the downside, and you know it's coming back for that.
My weed is not made in China. Well, this news didn't do anything. Bad for the dollar.
Man, I need to take a look at DXY. I bet that shit's ripping.
Oh, nope. It's not doing anything.
Oh, wow. This ain't even doing anything.
It's just in the channel, I guess.
It's going up. It's going up. Come on, let's go.
I mean, it's still in the channel though. If I go to the 1 hour time frame and take the fib tool, I will see it rejected of the golden zone 1.68. Oh, I didn't use fibs. Never been a fan of fibs. I'm not saying it doesn't work, I just was never a fan of it.
The thing is, the Fibonacci, there's too many levels on it that it's kind of bullshit because it'll reject one of the levels, right? Because you got so many levels. It's got like a 25%, a 30, a 50, a 61.8, 70, 80, 90. It's like, you covered all your bases. How can you be wrong?
To me, price action is just key.
Also, if it does reject the Fibonacci level, it's if you actually zoom into your chart, it's probably like some sort of demand or supply zone that is sitting there.
Or it bounce off with previous resistance or support.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Abe won't be trading Nasdaq today. He does not trade the Nasdaq on Wednesday and Friday.
Oh, who asked that?
Ryan.
Oh, yeah, Ryan. I don't trade NQ on Wednesdays and Fridays. Risk management or a real edge, which is more important? Of course, risk management is more important.
Yeah.
Your edge is not going to do anything if you have bad risk management.
Yep.
Oh, I should just check the whip. Oh, I don't even need Fibonacci. There is a supply here, and we broke these lows. So I don't need Fibonacci to tell me. Maybe, but I probably would have been looking at that supply really. Yeah, to be honest, I won't be looking at this supply because it's a 5-minute supply. Except if we have a higher time frame supply in the same zone, then I will include the 5 too. But if it's just a 5-minute supply, I really don't like to use it by itself.
Also, it's not even a tradable thing. It was news. It was probably up there for like all of 2 seconds.
Yeah, it was
then came down.
It was a news scandal. NQ compared to gold, the news did not affect this at all.
Yeah.
For this, are we not out of the range? What do you mean? The range to the downside? Now, this is it here. You see this move where we have this bearish engulfing candle? This is the resistance that we need. And you also have a minor BOS here. So we broke out of a minor minor resistance, and we broke out of our first range here. So we got that BOS on the 15 and also on the 30 on the 1 hour, we don't have any resistance there until we get to this supply. So we have what we need to look for possible buys. Also down here, we pretty much have a double bottom here. Yeah, this previous low that was created, price just came down, grabbed it, and we have a BOS above. So not a bad demand setup. You ready first to the buy party? Yeah, remember we use wick for zones, not the bodies. So this is going to be a support at 3276.8. There's a 30-minute demand there too, but I'm not interested in that 30-minute demand. Interested in this 15-minute demand. And Edwin, if you remember what I always say, like, because now these buys we're trying to take here, we possibly trying to take the buys because the higher time frame is bullish. However, the lower time frame is bearish because we have a BOS, right? We have a minor BOS to the downside. Okay, that's why the sales there's a high possibility that we could keep falling. However, the major low that we need to take out for the sell continuation, which is this daily support, we've not taken it out just yet. Right, we've not taken it out just yet, including this low that in return created this high. We've not taken it out yet. We pretty much rejected it, and we have a liquidity grab here to the right here to the right. Our time frame is bullish, so we need to wait for a setup like this simply because of the BOS that we have to the downside. Broke out of the range. We need to wait for this setup, which is what we're trying to wait for now.
Also, I will say, like, even though I think gold's gonna crater and go down much deeper, it could actually hold this support and just go sideways consolidation, because we've seen in the past, every time it makes a massive move up, it never pulls back. It actually just goes sideways and then makes another massive move to the high side again.
Could do that too.
Icky buys, yeah, I still think it's gonna sell off, but hey.
Yeah, I'm expecting the sell-off too, but at the same time, if it comes back to this demand, I'm taking it.
Yeah.
And expect a one-to-one. If there's no one-to-one, then probably we'll
It's
wait
not
for
worth
it.
it.
Yeah, I'll wait for the sales.
If it's not one-to-one, the stop loss would be fucking enormous.
If it is, then we'll just wait for the sales. I mean, there should be. This candidate alone is 168. India, Pakistan, thoughts. What's going on in India and Pakistan?
Oh, is this like a sporting cricket thing?
Maybe. Did a war break out in India? Are they fighting?
Like every time I hear like India, Pakistan, Australia, it's always about cricket.
Oh yeah, Australia is actually good in cricket.
It's such a weird sport. It's so boring. It goes for like 24 hours plus. It's like such a long game. I don't understand.
Yeah, I don't understand baseball either, so I never watch it.
Yep.
But man, my younger brother, whew, he's a huge baseball fan.
But it is crazy when I see people like throw baseballs, like those pitchers. It's like, holy shit. My God, they throw it fast.
Look at Nas and US 30. I don't trade Nasdaq on Wednesdays.
He just wants you to look at it, Abe. Keep looking at it for him.
He's dropping. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna keep going here, which is good.
Yeah, he doesn't trade it for New York, but he still trades it on London, yeah.
Maybe I should probably quit it for both days.
Oof. Tried to buy the dip on Nas. I'm out at break even. It re-broke the lows and snapped back in. I'm like, you know, fuck it. I don't want to hold this trade. Yep, stay safe out there. Shit. Catch a falling knife is hard. Oh, thank God I got out. Oof. Oh wow, gold's up there already, eh? Jesus.
Yeah, didn't tap it just yet. It's at the 4. It's going to be major support.
Man, Killer Beat's flip-flopping. Now he's like, he could just keep pushing from here.
Killer Bit is confused. What is good with the new thumbnail? The pic is looking different. Yeah, that's my twin. That's my twin, James. You told everyone? Well, please take over for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back, guys.
Gold 3,300 and beyond. So we're at 3,300. Forex. Forex is already at 3,300 too. When can we realize to go selling on gold in this kind of movement? Well, once this candle closes and then we get a bearish candle breaking the low. So already, if you're looking at a smaller time frame, you can kind of see a top in formation, kind of like that. What would be nice is it pulls back one more time, then comes down, breaks support, which basically confirms to you that buyers have been broken. How much is the stop? It's up to your imagination. Well, probably like 160-ish pips or something like that. Yeah, we got news again. So 45 minutes for PMI and then 1 hour for PCE and home sales. 3 minutes for hourly close. Then you're basically looking for next candle, wherever it is. Let's say closes here. Next candle comes up. Top wick, whatever you want to call it. And then flip bearish. You got your top wick. And it comes down. And then preferably straight to TP. Oh, you better get back soon, Abe. Candle's about to close.
I'm here. Next stop loss will be 150.
Order submitted.
King, are you in? Gotta love it.
No, I'm not in. No, I set the pending orders on futures.
Man, I love the YouTube chat today. It's like, are you in? Followed by another person like a minute later asking, are you in?
Mm-hmm.
Did you set a sell or buy? Hmm.
You know I trade supply and demand, and you should know there's no way I'll be taking buys from here. Hmm.
We were very bearish biased this session, but it's starting to look like price might close above 15-minute VWAP.
Yeah, he uses indicators too.
Wait, does VWAP change based on the time frame you're on, DS? Or does it not care about the time frame?
Oh, I thought you were about to ask me. I was about to say, I don't know.
So I didn't ask you. Okay, so it does change based on time frame. I would think it does not change based on time frame because it's the volume weighted moving average. I don't know.
I did hear that it's a good indicator though.
Yeah. Okay, VWAP.
TradingView has it.
Oh, I'm looking at Trade of 8 since Trade of 8 has the real volume on it.
Oh, let me see what it looks like. Let's see on TradingView. Trade of 8, I mean. Is it going to be under moving averages on Trade of 8? No, it should be volume based.
Volume, yeah.
Volume based. Huh. I don't see it.
Yeah, it's volume based and then it's at the bottom. VWAP. Oh, maybe you didn't turn it on in the settings, like you know that add-on section in the settings. It's like add on trading view, add on order flow.
Over there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, might need to add it. Yeah, I'm looking at it and it doesn't matter what time frame I'm using, it doesn't change. If I go 30 minute, 1 hour, 15 minute, it's in the same spot. That makes it more true and believable.
So it's going to be 3 indicators, right?
Yep. Wait. Is it? It's the So did you already like click add-on thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if it's already in the add-on and you just go to the indicators and yeah, just volume based.
Volume based and then VWAP.
Yep. Should be at the very bottom. The fact that it doesn't change based off of time frame tells me it's legit. It's bullshit if it changes on time frame because it's kind of like a moving average, or EMA or whatever, and you just change whatever time frame chart you're on, and it's like up here, down there, it's downtrending, it's uptrending.
Mm-hmm.
He's looking for a sell. You can tell because the entry's below the candle. So, you know. price go down, and he enters the sell. Oh, it's looking strangely strong up here. Strong until it isn't.
Yeah, I'm looking for sales.
Yeah, it does look like it. Hey, looking bullish, man. What the heck? Your VWAP's legit. Oh, sorry, Ryan. I hurt your feelings. My bad, man. Here, have a lollipop. Cheer up, buddy. I don't really want to explain myself to you, Ryan, but, you know, if you want me to go there, then, hey, you should have some basic understanding of trading. You shouldn't just be like, hey, are you in? You shouldn't just be like, hey, buy or sell. And then you should also be obviously listening to what he's saying. Therefore, you can follow along. And these questions are what? Are you in? Buy or sell? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's one of these people. One of these sensitive little twinks.
Oh, whoa, I just came on. What's going on?
Yeah, apparently this guy, he's all butthurt.
I think you should suck on that lollipop as all you do is talk smack. Jesus Christ. Everyone is welcome. We're all friends here. Chill out.
Wait for this candle to close.
All right, Ryan, this is the last thing I'll say to you. You asked earlier, buy or sell, right? What order did you set? Sell or buy limit? All right, so, okay. That about explains it all, because he's been explaining it the whole entire time that he's, you know, he's going for a sell.
You know what? Let's settle this right now. Who's gonna be the first to throw the first punch? Let's settle it. I'll be the referee.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm taking bets.
Man, can I bet too? Can I bet even though I'm in it?
Yeah. Oh, man.
All right, Ryan. All right. You literally wrote, what order did you set, sell or buy limit? Okay? Come on, man. Just scroll up like all of like 2 centimeters on my phone and I can see it.
DS is chanting fight, 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 fight.
Note how no one else is angry except for you, Ryan. The dude who asked these questions, none of them are even angry. It's like you're angry on behalf of them. Oh man.
I think someone needs a hug.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Just ignore it. Just ignore it.
What happened? If I wasn't such a poodling, you were such a great trader, you wouldn't be here, LOL. I'm not even gonna say anything, but the people who actually know who've seen me trade and know what I've done, it's like they might say, you know, I'm pretty decent.
Yeah, he's a very, very good trader. So some of us are here for fun, man. So because we love the community as well as learning every day. Except this guy Edwin, I'm not really sure what he does, but he's okay. we haven't quite worked that guy out yet. Oh, Edwin, hey. Didn't see you there. It's all fun.
Yeah, it's all fun, but you know, some people they you know they get butthurt too easy.
Yeah.
Also, I'm assuming he's probably pretty new to the stream. Like, dude, I've called out many trades as I'm taking them on the stream. And my trades are not even that of Abe's. So, you know. But hey, don't worry. I'm a shit trader.
Waiting for this candle to close right now. And the reason why I'm waiting for this candle to close is because of how this candle closes, because we have a previous rejection candle here, and this previous candle closed above it with gaps. So I'm waiting for this to close to see how we close. And if this current candle, I would either like to see this current candle close below the highs of the previous one that rejected, or even if this candle rejected, as long as the next candle obviously start breaking this current candle, then we'll be good to take the sells. Because this same candle can still flip bullish or close bearish, so patience.
Getting close to NYSE. So probably like by the time that candle closes, it's gonna be 30 minutes for the next red news.
What's that news again?
PCE, I think, and home sale.
PCE. Gold is gold.
Yeah, like Kill the Beat says, I've got no chill. I've got no tolerance of dumb questions.
What are you thinking stop loss on this one?
Well, shit, as long as it doesn't get to where this line is.
120?
Yeah.
Man, I think this would be more than 120.
Oh, you're moving entry lower, yeah.
Probably 140, 150. Probably use 150. Five more minutes for this candle to close, and of course, we got news then. Wait, someone said Trump is speaking though.
Yeah, that shouldn't be until Asian session.
'Cause I don't even see it on investing.com.
It shows that it's 10 a.m. my time, so that's gonna
Asia
be
session.
like, yeah, Asia
Oh,
session.
okay, so we're good. So it's on Forex Factory.
Yeah.
So where's the filter on this thing? I only want to see red folders. Huh. It's not on the red folders.
Yeah, it's orange folder.
Oh, okay. Damn, I wasn't expecting this candle to be this big. Still good, still good. It's looking like we are gonna close below that previous candle that rejected 1 hour.
I trade CFDs and futures. I just trade gold and Nasdaq.
And GJ.
God, I hate GJ. Oh shit. Man, went out with like a triple losing streak on that thing. My God. Had to walk away with my tail between my legs and never go back. Even killed him. It's like, yep, fuck GJ. And he went back earlier this year. And he's straight back out.
Do you remember when Qdbit used to be an advocate for GJ?
Yep.
Man. Damn near fought us for not trading GJ.
He's like, Naz is fucking trash, the worst trash of all trash. And it's like, I'm trading GJ, guys.
You had your brainwashed.
Oh, man. I can't believe GJ was so crazy.
Think we're gonna see a quick bull run before another drop.
3318 on Forex. Three, 318. Okay. See, I'm looking right now at right where we're at. If you look, literally 15 pips above us is already where I'm looking to take south. Like right around this area that we're at right now. But we've got such crazy strong bullish momentum that I want to see like some sort of like structural break, because we're making higher highs, higher lows on the smaller time frames. But I don't actually use time frame chart, I use tick chart.
Just say I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Okay, well, I'm gonna sell. Oh, shit. Well, there it goes. All right. Sweet.
Where's this thing?
Chopping. And now I'm at break even because it's not really breaking down. It's kind of just chopping.
YouTube will probably like, what do you mean break even?
Yeah, they got like probably like a 5-second delay. Like literally as I got in, it like spiked down 15 pips.
Yeah, because you know you on a tick chart and it looks nothing like this.
Yeah, it doesn't look anything like it. Oh, okay, I'm out. It's still higher highs, higher lows.
This move is either gonna break this minor resistance we created now, or we're gonna close bullish, creating a support before we break above, or we come down and start breaking this bearish wick here. And I would like to see this candle either flip or we create a support before we fall from here. This candle, bearish candle, barely closed below this previous rejection candle. So we got a 50% chance now. We got a nice rejection here at the bottom, so if we come down and break this wick, this thing should fall.
It's sitting right on top of the POC, just chopping on it.
See, buyers try to get in here, so if sellers gain the momentum back and start breaking this wick, we should come down. If we do take a sell, guys, stop loss will be 150 ticks.
Yeah, kill the beat. I wouldn't even be surprised if this thing fucking goes bullish. Oh, James says the same thing too. Think we can see a quick bull run?
I don't see it breaking this high, because, nah.
Oh, yeah, probably not that one.
Yep, that's the one. If it breaks it, because that's the origin of the bearish move. If that breaks, then shit, stop looking for sales at that point. Yeah, buying it from here right now is still super risky too.
Yeah, you can't buy from here. It's the worst place to buy. I will say, DS's VWAP, holy shit, man! Like, it held the VWAP. Like that, wow, oh, it's breaking higher. Now it's breaking inside that upper range. You love General Wall Mao? That's right. That's right I'm talking about.
Price breaks 23, you're buying 23. Yeah, I don't know what price that is. I'm probably looking at Forex.
Wait a second. You didn't already buy it? You said it was above the VWAP. You should have bought it when you told us, man. You're fucking rich by now. Now it's too far away from your VWAP, man. Now it's probably like a mile away. Man, oh man.
On Trader Red, I got a it's breaking above the PLC on Trader Red at 3325.0.
Yep, I see it. As soon as it held that, you know, that low value area, low area that I tried to sell from, it's like, it's not rejecting it. It's gonna smash straight up into the highs now. Man, look at it go. Holy shit. It's not even news. News didn't even come out.
Even the volume profile is saying If it breaks above this, man, this thing ain't falling.
It's buy the dips.
Yep, it's time to buy the dip. We'll see how we close here, though. If it's gonna close above the POC, because sometimes it close above the POC, but still come back down.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Only thing.
I wonder why Comex does not allow volume profile on TradingView.
Oh,
Or does it?
it does.
Oh, it does.
Or I'm using. I have it.
On TradingView?
Yeah, trading.
So which one is it? Is it a
You can use
visible
either.
range?
Yeah, you can use that one. It's the easiest
or
one.
Session.
I use session.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh.
Ah, yep. There you go.
So this is New York session. No, London session volume profile, I'm guessing.
No, I think that's market open until now.
Did I drop on there?
Can I change the color? Because I don't like this color.
Yeah, you can change all the settings on it. Damn. Bullish as hell. Holy.
POC, let's make that yellow. And then is this color. This one. You'll see the no, yeah. Man. Okay. Alright, this is better. Yep. This is the PLC that's on Twitter, this one right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Basically, if you look at it, it's like you use yesterday's volume to kind of predict today's price action. So it's kind of like, hey, if I draw a line over there, look at that. It rejects, double rejection, break. $3,318, bro. Man, if you want to short it, you can. But I'm not going to short it. I got to wait for the news. We got news coming.
At this point, we gotta wait for the news. There's a lot of volume to the left, and there's pretty much these two PLCs.
Yeah.
But man, we're breaking it.
You'd have to say this is like, you know, buyers took complete control. Because it should have just like, you know, tapped the supply, which is all that volume, and reject. But
Yep.
it's going real deep into there.
See, this is one of the reasons why I don't like snapper entries, because shit, we didn't even know we had a POC here, but we went with this supply. Imagine if we took the sell, clapped.
Yep. Well, technically, if you took the sniper entry, I'm sure that gave like a pretty decent move down on that bearish candle.
I mean, but not 1-to-1.
Yeah, now 1-to-1.
And if this candle closes like this at this point, I'm gonna need a support before I take sales, because we could just come back down, reject off of this demand. Which I'm actually pretty much considering now that we're gonna break this high, but we'll see.
I'd expect that to at least give it a reaction.
This session is chalked. Yeah, possibly. Except if we get a crazy move to the upside with the news and we break the highs.
Man, that's so crazy. I was like so ready to swing trade a short on my CFD account. Now I'm like, nah, I don't think so.
Yeah, the way this is looking right now, it's looking like we're gonna break this high. What's the result of this news that just happened now? Oh, we got nothing right now until 13 minutes from now. You did short 33.18 already. Took your profits already at 33.14. Just a quick scalp. Okay.
Nice, nice.
The fact that none of these POCs held, just a perfect example of why you don't want to rely on indicators alone. And POCs, man, they've not been holding for a while. Look at this one here, didn't hold, came down, broke it. Same thing.
No. You gotta look at yesterday's one for today, right? The following day.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh, and also, yeah, you the POC is like not something that usually you trade off of. It's just the area that price will go towards the most.
Yeah, and then possibly reject from there.
Possibly. The best areas are like the, like this kind of area, or these like spikes of volume here,
Yeah,
which is
the
a
spikes,
obvious
yep,
supply.
yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, the spikes, that's what I like.
Yeah.
We'll focus more on rather than the POC.
It's basically just a supply, just in volume format.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Killbeat says, get that shit off your screen.
Nah, I actually like it. But I don't like how it's just too much all over the place. I don't like that. Is the other one like this too?
Which other one? There's a bunch.
This one. The visible range.
Oh, it'll like just whatever candles you have on your chart, it'll group the volume profile for all of it together, which I don't think is really as useful, because seeing yesterday's volume profile is more useful.
Yeah, maybe not. That one is doing too much.
I have noticed a strange correlation between NQ and gold. When NQ drops, gold rises. What do you guys think? Pi also mentioned that, and I believe it is occurring a lot recently.
Yes, recently, yeah. I don't know why, but recently that's what's been going on. Well, we got 8 more minutes into news. We'll see if we can catch a trade after that. $33.18. Quick scalp area. I'm guessing for buys.
No, sell.
Oh, he sold and he's taking profit at 33.18.
No. This is a Forex he's talking about.
Oh. Because we're getting close to, we're coming towards 33.18 on futures now. And it's this demand area. So I was thinking if he's going to take buys from there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you already took it. You re-entered at 318 and secured holding a runner. Okay. See what news is gonna do. What's the news looking like tomorrow? Oh, got unemployment claims. That one is done. I'm willing to take a trade. On Friday we got NFP.
Oh shit, NFP week. Yeah.
About 4 more minutes. The NQ move and keeps dropping. Oh snap. I didn't know that I had. I didn't delete it.
Order cancelled.
Two minutes.
Wonder if Nas gave a setup. Damn, it's hot.
Damn, this news ain't really doing anything.
15-minute. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Yeah, that news didn't do anything. Nope. Oh well.
Waiting for this zone since morning. Missed the sell from 3321 pre-London. Thanks for the confirmation. And don't need to thank me for anything. I didn't do anything. You took the trade.
Yep. Good job for not second guessing yourself. Man, this news didn't do shit. Well. Yeah, it's over. Yep, it's over. That was a 30 minutes. Might be good long time short. Yeah, I'm actually not interested in taking the sales from here. I'm going to, at this point, I would like to see this look this look get taken out first. Even though we have a 30-minute liquidity grab above this high, which is above 33.24 right here, we pretty much give a 30-minute setup. I'm just not confident in selling it right now. I like to see it reject here. Actually, looking at this and thinking we actually might actually go up, do this again before we actually start falling. And if it falls from here, then it is what it is. I don't have to take trades every day.
Oh, those are some wise words right there. Some traders, you know, it's like they have to trade every single day, every single session.
Yeah. You need to be heard. We could actually break this low. I'm just not confident that it's going to do that. And one thing about the way I trade, if I'm not confident in a trade, then I don't want to take it, because if I take it and the trade goes the other way, I'm just gonna keep beating myself up for the whole freaking day. So
Yeah, that's true.
if it drops, it drops. I'm not gonna say, oh damn, I missed out on that trade. Nah. You live to trade another day. Because if I was confident in this in the first place, if we didn't have news, that went to the 5-minute and taken a sell from this supply using the 5-minute entry. There you go, Ryan. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna call it. I'll be back tomorrow. YouTube, I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. Mentorship link is in the description. The 3-day bootcamp we're having this weekend. You can secure your spot. That link is in the description as well. All right, and we'll catch you guys again tomorrow. Hopefully, we do catch a trade today. Like the news just messed everything up today. So, see you guys tomorrow. God bless. I'm out. All right, Zoom. We're back again down in London tomorrow. See you guys there.
All right. Thanks, Abe.
Welcome, guys.
Thanks, Abe. See you tomorrow.
All right, you're welcome. See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.